Welcome to the new identity verification system called Biosig ID. Please listen carefully to the instructional video as we will demonstrate how easy it is to use Biosig ID. Biosig ID only requires an initial one-time registration and enrollment. After that, you simply validate your identity in seconds. The screen that says Verify Your Identity for Username, enter your email address. Under Create Your Profile, enter your first and last name. Choose your pointing device. You will see it defaults to mouse. And click Next. You will now see a drawing area with grid lines on it that says Step 1. Holding your left mouse button down, you will move your mouse and draw only 3 or 4 distinct characters, initials, shapes, or numbers. Do not draw cursive, one continuous line, or use slashes or dots. Do not draw from the top of the drawing area to the bottom. Please take some time to practice. You can clear the grid at any time and begin again. Use initials, characters, shapes, or numbers that you can remember and that are easy for you to reproduce. Examples include street address, cell numbers, or your initials. Now for this demonstration, I'm just choosing the numbers 1, 2, 3. Once you've drawn your chosen profile/password, click Next. You will see Step 2 appear asking you to draw the same profile/password again. During this one-time initial enrollment, you may produce a drawing that is incompatible with your prior drawing. The system will prompt you that your profile/password is inconsistent. Please click OK and try again. Remember, the system captures how you draw with your mouse, height, length, speed, and the number and sequence of your strokes. If you're having problems with a profile/password that you selected, you can click the Re-enroll button to choose new initials, characters, shapes, or numbers that you can reproduce easier. After the third successful attempt, you have completed the one-time enrollment and have created your Biosig ID profile/password. This profile/password is now stored in an encrypted database and is used to compare all future logins. In case you forget your Biosig ID profile/password or have an injury, we require you to enroll in a second level of verification called Click ID. This is a picture password that allows you to verify your identity and enables you to reset your Biosig ID profile/password. It is very important to remember your Click ID. The first step is to choose one of the 4 groups of images that has the most relevance to you. Once you select a group, the images will enlarge on the screen. Please note that these are just examples for this video only. Now select 3 pictures in the image group that you have an association with. For example, I like history, so I'm going to be choosing these artifacts. Click in the center of these pictures and in a certain order using your pointing device. Click Next. Now you'll see your choices highlighted by a bullseye. This helps you remember your pictures and only appears at this one-time enrollment. Select the 3 pictures. Click in the center of each picture and in the same order as in Step 1. Click Next. The system will ask you to do this 3 times to create your Click ID picture password. After completing this process, you will see that you have successfully enrolled in both Biosig ID and Click ID verification systems. Whenever you are asked to verify your identity, you will be presented with the Biosig ID drawing grid. Simply enter your profile/password you created and click Validate. If you are unsuccessful in validating your Biosig ID profile/password, you'll be asked to validate with Click ID. That is why it's very important to remember your Click ID. Click on the image group that you chose during enrollment. You'll see the group has rotated from its original view. Select your 3 pictures, click in the center and in the same order as the enrollment, and click Validate. After verifying your identity with Click ID, you will be directed to re-enroll in Biosig ID. This avoids help desk calls. In case you do have a problem, please contact askapro@biosig-id.com or call 1-800-871-2817. Thank you for watching this instructional video.